Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Merry Christmas to me. I'm going to put this Bushnell Banner 2 on the Mossberg of mine. The reason I bought it is the reticle. I don't know if you're going to see that real well or not, but it's got the additional dots below the crosshair, and those there's an app that you can get on your phone, and you can put in the grain of the bullet and all the other fun stuff, and it'll calculate what each tick on the reticle will represent once the gun is sighted in at 100 yards. And I did that with on the bucket list is some big game hunting. I'd like to. I know I want to go elk hunting, and we do have that down here in Oklahoma, but I also, on the bucket list, is a trip up north to moose hunt and then bear hunt. And I don't, especially bear hunting, I don't want to be that close. Anyway, well, I just installed the mounts on the gun, and I'm fixing to put the scope on it and then get my Barska out and get it dialed in as a starting point, and then we'll go back out to the gun range and get it sighted in for 100 yards. But anyway, I'm going to put that scope on and I'll bring you back and let you have a look. All right, I've got it. I've got the scope mounted and I've got the turrets uncovered, and I'm fixing to put the Barska on the end of the barrel and zero it in, and then it'll be ready to take out to the gun range. So I'll get that done and I'll bring you back and let you have a peek at that. And all right, in less than 2 minutes it's dialed in, so we have our preliminary location for the site. And like I said, next time I head out towards my brother's house, we'll go to the gun range out there and use that 100-yard target. Hopefully the weekend warriors won't be out there plinking. Anyway, all right. The reason I chose that Bushnell, it's got a lifetime warranty. Of course, it's not replacement. They'll repair it. And I guess we'll see what happens if they can't repair it. Yeah. And I mentioned the app that it helps you dial in everything as far as what the other reticle ticks are for. Yeah, it's anti-fog. And $87 is what I paid for this one. I picked it up at Walmart, and it is the Bushnell Banner 2, and it's a 3x9 by 40 millimeter. And yeah, I'll let you know how it turns out once I get it sighted in. Anyhow, you guys have a great week, and I will catch you on the next video. If you like what you see, share it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you much.